You ready to go?
Yes.
We're gonna be unboxing the 3's. The 3's. It's kind of weird. It's kind of weird looking at that.
Camera.
Yeah. You wanna open the box?
No, open the box.
Yes. Got the black cement 3's. We got them when it came out. When it came out. February 17th of 2018. Yep. Been waiting for this shoe for 2 years. When it was announced back in 2016, I think. Black Cement 3. Very iconic shoe. One of my favorite Air Jordan. With the 88 on the back, not the Jumpman. Like the 2011 pair. You got any sniffing test?
I love that.
That smells good, huh? Got that clear sole in there. I mean, not the clear sole, the clear bubble. Got that tumble leather. How that tumble leather feel, baby?
Cheap.
What?
Okay.
Got that elephant print on there right there. The OG tag.
I think your brother wants to see
OG
you.
tag. Huh?
Yeah, I think your brother wants to see you.
You gonna be on YouTube?
I guess so.
The bottom. What do you rate these, baby? 1 to 10.
10.
Rate them a 10? Ooh, that's my girl. Yeah, I rate these hoes a 13. And these do go true to size. So I'm 10 and a half, so I got 10 and a half.
Big butt.
Yep. Yeah, shit, I love these shoes. You like these shoes, baby? They're bigger than your head again?
Is it? Yeah.
Have one more surprise. Close your eyes.
Surprise.
Close your eyes.
Surprise.
Close your eyes.
Wait, what surprise?
Ta-da! There you go, baby. Open it up.
You didn't.
Open it up.
You didn't.
Open.
You're lying.
She don't even know about it.
You got what you discount, didn't you? Baby!
Ooh,
I just hope they fit.
she get to unbox them hoes. Show them on YouTube. Show them on YouTube, girl.
I want to wear them now. I don't want to show them yet.
You gotta show them on YouTube.
Oh my god.
You love me?
Thank you, baby.
Notice how hers don't come with the OG tag because it's a GS size.
It's okay. I could take the one in your car.
Damn. You better not me.
Fine, take yours. I love these. Are these
Size-
special occasions too?
Size comparison. Size comparison.
Are these the same?
10 and a half, 7Y. You love it?
I do. Are these the special occasions to wear them?
No, it's whatever. Just take care of them. Which I know you do. Yep, so that was our unboxing. And I was a little bit late. How late? I just like a month.
Like 2-3 weeks.
3 weeks. 3 weeks late. Whoa! Don't be staring at that. What the fucking?